The jet stands proudly on the runway, its sleek, aerodynamic shape a testament to modern design and technology. The exterior, a striking blend of off-white and matte black, follows organic, flowing lines that mimic the curves of nature, offering a futuristic yet elegant aesthetic. The design integrates seamless windows that provide an unobstructed view of the sky while maintaining privacy and function. As the jet stands ready for takeoff, the misty backdrop enhances the sleek appearance, blending the aircraft with the surrounding landscape. Upon entering, the first impression is one of serene luxury, where each space has been carefully crafted to mirror the jet's aerodynamic structure. The compact bedroom, Lunar Sky Suite greets you with light gray walls and sleek matte black accents. The floating bed, upholstered in charcoal gray leather, features a soft, rounded headboard that flows organically into the walls. Golden LED lighting runs along the edges of the bed and ceiling, casting a warm, luxurious glow across the room. A minimalist vase with flowers sits on the side table, adding a refined touch. The floor is finished in dark stone, reflecting the ambient light and enhancing the ethereal quality of the room. A small, curved window offers a panoramic view of the sky, while the tinted glass ensures privacy and softens the natural light. From the bedroom, the design flows seamlessly into the dressing suite, walk-in chamber. Here, light gray curved walls and matte black cabinetry continue the organic theme, enhancing the fluid motion of the space. Golden LED strips line the ceiling, creating a warm glow that highlights the sleek lines of the room. 3 cupboards, 2 half-open to reveal neatly hung clothing, and 1 fully closed to maintain a minimalist look, perfectly align with the space's streamlined design. A sculptural full-length mirror framed with golden LED lighting enhances the sense of space. The floating vanity shelf displays perfume bottles and makeup items with artistic precision, while the dark stone flooring complements the overall design. A small tinted window allows filtered natural light to enter, adding to the openness of the room. As you move deeper into the jet, the executive office, command cabin offers a perfect blend of function and luxury. The light gray walls and matte black furnishings create a calm, modern workspace. The curved desk, crafted from polished platinum, features digital controls seamlessly integrated into its organic shape. A minimalist laptop and mouse sit atop the desk, which is illuminated by golden LED lights running along the edges. The ergonomic chair, upholstered in soft gray leather, ensures comfort while maintaining the room's futuristic aesthetic. A small curved window allows natural light to filter in, providing a tranquil environment for work or reflection. Next, the Sky Lounge, Obsidian horizon deck beckons with its inviting design. The light gray walls, paired with matte black, starfish-shaped seating, create an atmosphere that feels both dynamic and organic. The off-white cushions contrast with the black velvet upholstery, enhancing the luxurious feel. In the center of the room sits an off-white table with a minimalist sunflower vase, adding a natural element. The golden LED lighting accentuates the curves of the furniture, creating a warm and inviting ambience. A sculptural starfish-shaped light fixture overhead radiates soft golden light, and a small curved window allows for an intimate sky view while preserving the compact design of the jet. For moments of relaxation, the bathroom, Frost Suite offers a serene space with sleek light gray walls and matte black fixtures. Golden LED lighting gently accents the organic curves of the room. The rainfall shower, framed by frosted glass panels, follows the flowing design, with water cascading softly. The vanity, with its off-white counter and black fixtures, is complemented by a round mirror framed in a golden LED glow. The commode is discreet, maintaining the minimalist design. A small tinted window provides filtered natural light, enhancing the space's calming atmosphere. The kitchen and dining, horizon deck space is as functional as it is luxurious, with light gray cabinetry, matte black surfaces, and sleek, integrated appliances. The modular dining table, designed in off-white with flowing lines, adds an element of dynamism to the space. Beneath the table, golden LED strips create a warm glow, and recessed lighting highlights the sleek lines of the room. A small curved window allows natural light to filter in while offering expansive views of the sky, providing a perfect setting for dining and socializing. The cockpit, Lunar Command Deck offers a high-tech, intuitive control space. The cockpit's light gray panels and matte black controls create a sleek, modern design. The digital displays and holographic navigation systems are seamlessly integrated into the cockpit's aerodynamic lines. Golden LED accents highlight key elements of the dashboard. The captain's seats, upholstered in dark gray leather, fit organically into the overall design of the cockpit. Smooth, glossy black stone flooring contrasts with the lighting, while the large curved windshield offers panoramic views of the sky, further enhancing the futuristic feel of the space. The pilot's rest cabin, functional luxury pod, is a space designed for comfort and privacy. It features 2 single-dome-style beds with light gray upholstery and black trim, separated by privacy bars to create an intimate, restful space. The walls follow organic curves, and golden LED lighting runs along the edges, creating a soft, calming glow. Plush dark carpeting covers the floor, and a small tinted window provides filtered light, ensuring privacy and rest for the crew. For entertainment, the Cinema Lounge, Obsidian Dual Theater offers deep black velvet seating with light gray and off-white cushions. The furniture is arranged in front of a sleek, modern projection screen, creating an immersive cinematic experience. The space is illuminated by golden LED lighting that casts a warm glow, while asymmetrical shelving holds a minimalist selection of decor. A sculptural starfish-shaped light fixture overhead adds a dynamic touch. A small tinted window provides a view of the sky, maintaining privacy and intimacy. The pool cabin, Horizon Pool Deck, is a luxurious retreat within the jet. The light gray indoor pool, surrounded by matte black edges, is illuminated by golden LED underlighting, casting a soft glow beneath the water. The polished dark stone floor contrasts with the light gray and black walls. A large curved window offers unobstructed views of the horizon while maintaining the jet's sleek, aerodynamic design. The bar and observation deck features light gray walls and sleek black furniture. The polished bar counter, with golden backlighting running along the edges, creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Black leather stools surround the bar, offering comfort and style. The golden LED lighting enhances the luxurious feel of the space, and the large curved window provides panoramic views of the sky, completing the jet's streamlined design and luxurious feel. This jet, with its combination of futuristic design, organic shapes, and luxurious interiors, offers a one-of-a-kind experience for those fortunate enough to board. Whether in the Lunar Sky Suite or the functional luxury pod, every space has been meticulously crafted to reflect the jet's flowing, aerodynamic structure while providing an unmatched level of comfort and innovation. Are you ready to experience the future of luxury travel? Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment with your thoughts on this futuristic jet design, and share the video with others who would love to travel in luxury. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more high-end travel content.